I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. Says, my mind, my mind, my body. My body says, my mind, my mind, and my heart. My body says, I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is. But you got me going crazy. Just to do is so amazing. How long can you go, baby? At last to my body so crazy. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am J Dior and thank you for tuning into another weekly vlog. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, we are back from Puerto Vallarta, Mexico. If you didn't catch my travel vlog last week, go back and watch that. Go pause this right now, pause it, go back and watch it, and then come back and finish this vlog so you can catch up. You know, I just got done power walking 3 miles, well 3.3 miles on a treadmill for like an hour. I am literally trying to work off some of that, you know, carefreeness that I was doing over the last 6 days while I was in Mexico, because I was not adhering to no diet restrictions. I drank every day and I most definitely ate a few sweets. So yeah, we gotta work that off. We gotta get back into the game plan because I didn't work out for literally 6 days. Literally 6 days. Actually, make it 8 days because I didn't work out for the last 2 days. I haven't been back either. So now we're trying to play catch up, and now we are trying to cleanse some of that junk out of our system. So that is why I was working out so hard, y'all. But literally only burned 379 calories after being on that treadmill for a whole hour. Like, make it make sense. The math is not mathing. It's not mathing. Also, if you are interested in how I do my traveling, how like I book the trips, how I know what excursions to do, where I want to go, all those good things. If you want like a travel in-depth video, or if you just want a video about Puerto Vallarta itself, like the do's, the don'ts, you know, the how-tos, whatever, let me know. Let me know. I mostly cleaned my house before I left for vacation because I like coming back to a clean house, but I did not clean out my fridge. Okay, I did not clean out the fridge. Here, come with me. Look at what we got going on here. It's leftovers from God knows when, child. I don't even know. I'm talking to the point where it's not just I need to throw away like old food and leftovers. I'm talking like take all of the stuff off of the shelves and like wipe everything down. Okay, it's literally about that time. So that is what we will be doing today. Cap, Big cap. Literally none of that happened, y'all. I made me some breakfast, okay? And then I took a nap, girl. And then I made me some cereal after I got up. And then I took another nap. And I literally did not get back up for the whole day, okay? But tomorrow, I got you. I promise.
One I beg you with the jabata. Me, I no get time, I did jabata. Dada cover my face, calling me jabata. Biggie man, we don't be where I bada. Tell me, what's it come? You are come, all the bend. They catch ride the foot, I no feet, die for nothing. What's it come? You are come, all the bend. Die for nothing. Make you no say anything when you do, they must commend it. I can't come and see myself. So anything when they do, they try to take me to my way. I can't come and see myself. Plenty survive with the face. Just to make your money day. But my people then go say, I know one buy, I know one die, I know one women. I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. Tell me, what's it go? Schemes and packaging in a one night for shows. I'm juggling flow like the ocean. My port, I'm paddling. Shara Shinabella, that's my bro, my family. Frozen trace. When it comes to money, I did concentrate. Make I tell you straight, you are not my mate. If you become a shall not be head of state. But my people then go say, I know one buy, I know one die, I know one women. I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. What's it come? You are come, all the bend.
Yesterday when I had said that we was gonna clean the fridge out, right? That's what I had said. Well, see, what had happened was that most definitely did not happen yesterday. I did not clean the fridge out yesterday. I'm not gonna lie, that workout like took me out. It most definitely took me out, and I think it's because it's my first day back working out, and I literally did almost 3.5 miles non-stop on the treadmill, like first day back, you know what I mean? But today we worked out. Today I did strength training and not cardio, which was still fucking tiring. I'm not gonna lie, it was still tiring and I still sweat. And I also took a nap. I was gonna do that anyway. Yeah, so I definitely took a nap, but now I'm up and I feel refreshed. You feel me? I'm feeling the vibe of like, let's get this done. So for real this time, for real, we're gonna clean the fridge. We're gonna clean the fridge for real this time. No games, dead ass. Also, we will be restocking the fridge because I have a grocery delivery coming at like 4:30. So we got like a little over an hour to get all of this done and ready before the new groceries come, and I have to put all that up too. So we're gonna need all of the shelves back in the refrigerator before then, because girl, where am I put my food at? Where am I gonna put the food if it's in the dishwasher? So yeah, let's get busy. My back. Oh, my back. Y'all, this is a lot of work. I ain't gonna lie to you. And I'm not even done. I still got one more shelf left. Like, literally. This is just a lot. It's too much. It's too much.
Satisfying you while I keep bleeding. I don't know why you act like you innocent. You wanna take a piece of my heart again. I get it up, cause I just don't want you. Something in your eyes, the way you stare me that I like. I wanna let you go, but it's like something else me tight. You might break my heart tonight, but I'm gonna hold it tight. Oh, it feels like yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow, yellow, yellow. You have to let me go, yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow. We tried too many times. You're misbehaving. You must not know me. You make me crazy, kinda like Johnny. Thumbs it down better, making me lose my mind, cause I just don't know. Something in your eyes, the way you stare me that I like. I wanna let you go, but it's like something else me tight. You might break my heart tonight, but I'm gonna hold it tight. Oh, it feels like yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow, yellow, yellow. You have to let me go, yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow. We tried too many times. Ooh, you got me feeling cool. Ooh, you got me feeling blue. Something about you so see-through. Something just ain't right by you. Yeah, can I do you like I? You like I? Can I do you like I? Yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow, yellow, yellow. You have to let me go. Heartbreaks and heartaches. We tried too many times. Heartbreaks and heartaches. We tried too many. No one knew you like I do. Wonder
I'll do. Come on, baby. Love you, I will love you, I will love you like a queen. I will love to take you to a place you've never been. Love you, I will love you, I will love you like a queen. I will love to take you to a place you've never been. What is trouble in your mind? Baby, why can't you just tell me? I just wanna be your bride. Wanna be. I wanna give our love wings. You're not letting me, yeah, get through to you. Yeah. If you let your guard down, baby, this is what I'll do. I'll do. Love you, I will love you, I will love you like a queen. I will love to take you to a place you've never been. Love you, I will love you, I will love you like a queen. I would love to take you to a place you've never been before.
Takers and givers, I've been called the latter. But am I really a giver if I don't give to myself? Don't take care of my health, care for everyone else. I usually give away my best, but get into this reset. Get into this reset. Get into this reset. Takers, givers, I've been called the latter. Get into this reset. Yeah, I'ma adjust my clock like daylight savings. Next era unlocked, and I ain't playing about me. You think I'm acting brand new, but this was me before you. Ain't nothing to start over. Owe me on a new vibe. Bitch, you blowing my high. Gotta recalibrate my sundial. Yeah, reset. Ain't nothing to start over. Only on a new vibe. Bitch, you blowing my high. Gotta recalibrate my sundial. Yeah, yeah. Reset. Recent past is feeling like a past life. Can't believe I saved your heart to break mine. You could see I shifted shape to fit yours. Can't forget I made the move to move on. PCH to the Potomac River. Take a break, recalibrate, forgive her. Trip the road from Stockton to Stockholm. Yeah, peace and grace to travel safe through time zones. Adjust my clock like daylight savings. Next era unlocked, and I ain't playing about me. You think I'm acting brand new, but this was me before you. Ain't nothing to start over. Owe me on a new vibe. Bitch, you blowing my high. Gotta recalibrate my sundial. Reset. It ain't nothing. No, me on a new vibe. Bitch, you blowing my high. Gotta recalibrate my sundial. Yeah. Get into this reset. Take a skill for stopping, call the ladder. Get into this reset. Yeah, I'ma adjust my clock like daylight savings. Next era unlocked, and I ain't playing about me. You think I'm acting brand new, but this was me before you. Ain't nothing to start over. Old me on a new vibe. Bitch, you blowing my high. Gotta recalibrate my sundial. Yeah, reset. Ain't nothing to start over. Old me on a new vibe. Bitch, you blowing my high. Gotta recalibrate my sundial. Yeah, yeah. Reset. Recent past is feeling like a past life. Can't believe I saved your heart to break mine. You could see I shifted shape to fit yours. Can't forget I made the move to move on. PCH to the Potomac River. Take a break, recalibrate, forgive her. Trip the road from Stockton to Stockholm. Yeah, peace and grace to travel safe through time zones. Adjust my clock like daylight savings. Next era unlocked, and I ain't playing about me. You think I'm acting brand new, but this was me before you. Ain't nothing to start over. Old me on a new vibe. Bitch, you blowing my high. Gotta recalibrate my sundial. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Reset. It ain't nothing. Old me on a new vibe. Bitch, you blowing my high. Gotta recalibrate my sundial. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Reset.
Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging on myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah. You always make me feel like, oh yeah. You never leave my thoughts alone, yeah. You're the reason I'm going out of my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. All that I crave when you're away, nights are sleepless. Do we need space? Yeah, maybe a break. Boy, you're my weakness. Giving we take, the love that we make, it's my favorite drug. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging on myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah. You always make me feel like, oh yeah. You never leave my thoughts alone, yeah. You're the reason I'm going out of my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you.
Is anybody else feeling the effects of this new moon that we're having? And I don't just mean the astrological new moon, like the new moon that's coming up tomorrow. I'm talking about the new moon that they said then came into our solar system that we supposed to have for the next like 2 months. Is anybody feeling it? Has anybody's cycle changed? Because mine definitely changed like out of nowhere. I'm talking about popped up earlier, and I don't mean like a day earlier, like 2 days earlier. I'm talking like 4 days earlier than it was supposed to pop up. Definitely feeling like that whatever that object is that's supposed to be in the solar system right now is definitely like doing a thing. It's definitely doing a thing. So I've been resting all day, I ain't gonna lie. I made me some breakfast. That's about all I've done. Watched some TV, and I'm gonna continue to do that, okay? Continue to lay around and relax, okay? Normalize resting and relaxing during your cycle. Normalize not doing a motherfucking thing. Do you hear me? Not doing nothing during that time of the month. One, because your body is already doing a lot. Okay, my body is resetting, so I'm going to reset. How about that? I'm going to rest and I'm going to relax like I was divinely and femininely created to do. Okay, I'm gonna take my ass back on that couch and continue watching TV. So yeah.